Hey guys, Miss Middleton here. Today we're going to talk about multiplying special cases. At the end of this video, you should be able to multiply binomials with special cases. You should be able to identify common occurrences with each special case. Okay, so we're going to use what we know about exponents to multiply these, or x plus 3 cubed, or squared. Remember, anytime we see a square, that means we're multiplying something by itself. So I always like to rewrite these problems. X plus 3 squared then becomes x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, and now it's just a regular multiplication problem. But we're going to make sure that we FOIL, distribute the first term to the first term, x squared, first term, the outsides, plus 3x, the insides, plus 3x, and the last, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, then we are going to add our like terms together, and we'll get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so with each of these problems, even though you're given the squared, I always recommend you just rewriting these problems out. Okay, I'm going to do the second one here, and then I'm going to ask you guys to do, actually I'll do the first one. I'm asking you guys to do the first one. Okay, so 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 4 is 12x. 4 times 3x, again, that will be 12x. 4 times 4 is 16. And so I'll add my like terms together again. 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. I'll do it with the last one as well. 6x minus 1 squared, 6x minus 1 times 6x minus 1, give me 36x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 1. So I have 36x squared minus 12x plus 1. Okay? In each of these problems, the binomial is being squared. Okay, when you have this situation, certain things always occur. The first and last terms of the answer is both positive and a perfect square. Okay, perfect square, remember those numbers, just in case you don't know what they are. 149, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196. You should know those kind of off the top of your head. We'll do a little bit more with those later. Okay, the middle term has the same sign as the original problem. Okay, notice when we were minus here, our middle term is minus. We were plus here, plus here. Okay, plus here, plus here. Okay. Okay, the first term and last terms are the same. Okay, same as when you're using FOIL. Okay, because of this is a nice little shortcut. Okay, first we're going to multiply the two terms of the binomials together. Oh, sorry, the first term and last terms are, yeah, we're good. Okay, because of this, there's a nice shortcut. Multiply the two terms of the binomials together. So we have 3n plus 5 squared. We would multiply 3n times 5, which gives us 15n. And then multiply that answer by 2. Since the outer terms and the inner terms are the same, you have 2 of them, just like we've had 2 of them here, 2 of them here. Okay, and so now 30n is the middle term, or the second term, either way. Okay, and so if we're using this shortcut, remember we said we're going to square these, so we have 4x squared plus 49. Okay, positive, perfect square, squaring those numbers. And then we're going to take 2x times 7, which gives us 14x, times 2, which gives us 28x. So minus 28x. Okay. Now, personally, I don't appreciate the shortcut as much as just doing it, writing the squares out and then doing it that way. Okay. When you try to remember something, kind of a shortcut, there's a lot more chance of you getting lost. Okay. But if you like it, you can use that. All right. Now, these three. If we do these, notice these aren't the same thing, x plus 4 and x minus 4. It's not like we're squaring something, so we can't use that shortcut. Okay. As we do these, what we'll do is we'll distribute x times x squared, x times minus 4, negative 4x. Draw that. 4 times x is positive 4x. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. I'll add like terms together here. Negative 4x plus 4x gives us 0. So I have x squared minus 16. Okay. Do the same thing here. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 8 is 24x. Negative 8 times 3 is negative 24x. Negative 8 times 8 is negative 64. Add together like terms, and I get 9x squared. So we get 0x, so I'm not going to write it, minus 64. Try this one. Okay. In each of these problems, the two binomials are the same except for the sign. Okay, notice the signs in the middle is different. Okay, when you have this, certain things happen. The middle term disappears. Disappears. Okay. This is because the outer terms and the inner terms are the same except for the sign. Okay, again, when we have positive 24 and negative 24, they kind of cancel out. The last term is negative, while the first term is positive. Okay? And so if we want to use this shortcut here, I'd say, okay, I can see that these are the same except for the sign. So this is the difference of, well, same except for the sign. Let's just go with that. And so I know that my first term is going to be 25x squared. I know my last term is going to be minus 4. Okay. Bottom here, guys, I'll do one with you, and I'll leave the others for you to do, or I'll set up one for you. Okay, I want you to do these. Actually, I just want you to do these 4 problems. Use the shortcut if you choose to, but again, I don't really care. I'm not going to grade you whether you use the shortcut or not. I'm going to grade you that you can simplify this. And the easiest way to simplify to me is just rewrite this problem. If I see a square, I know that means I'm multiplying x plus 8 times x plus 8. Okay, and if I follow those same rules and I distribute and there's 2 different signs, that middle term is going to cancel out anyway. Okay, try these 4 problems, bring these to class tomorrow. All right, see ya.